Hello, welcome to another tutorial on building websites with Lesscode. In this tutorial, we are going to do with editing your text. So you select the text from the right click menu. When you hover your mouse over any of the elements, you can see which element that corresponds to. So let's select the first one, and then once you select it, you can see on the right on the tools panel all the settings for that particular text has been loaded. So let's go to typography settings, and then let's select the text. So you can change the font, the type, the font family of the text, and then for example in this case we would want to use Open Sans Light here, and then you can increase the size of the text and also increase the line height. You can increase the letter spacing, but in this case I'll just leave it 1. Then you can center the text as we said we do, so you see the text is centered. But if you want to center this whole element on the screen, you would have to check the block settings. So in this case, just as you load the text settings, you can also load the block settings and then deal with position. We'll come to that in a later video. For now, let's concentrate on editing our text. So as you can see, we have the text in the middle. Once you are done, what you'd want to do is you would want to save by using Ctrl S. Anytime you select an element and then you load the settings, once you are done editing the settings, you must save it before you load the next element, else the last element that you loaded will be saved. So for example, if you want to make some part of your text bold, you just highlight that part of the text and then you select bold in the pop-up editing menu, and you can also make it into a link. All in this case you have to do is select, and the link comes, you type in your link. So what we are going to do is type in our http slash blah 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 .com, and then you press enter, and what happens is that it turns this into a link, and then once you click on the link, it takes you to wherever you wanted it to go. Let's go more into editing our text. So basically we have certain text, what do you call it, animations that you can use on the website. So for example, let's select this text, and first effect that we could apply to it is the hover effect to your text. So for example, we want the grow function. When we hover on it, it should grow, or we could select something else like pulse. So this is what you select your animation, and then you hover on the element, and then you can have these text elements. In the next video, we are going to deal with changing the images on your page, creating new images, and then uploading your images into the application.